we're here now at the LeShuutle.
What's that? So today's the day. Lisa's gone to empty the Elson and unplug, and then we're going to head off. So this campsite we're at, it's like a CL. It's just a field, and there's some toilet showers or some point bins, things like that you'd expect. But it's £28 a night, that's with the electric. And we just wanted, after we'd been to the Overlander, we just wanted to make sure that we were charged up and everything, so it was worth it for us. But it's about 15 minutes to the tunnel, so oh, catch you there. Exciting.
Well, we're here now at the LeShuutle, and all parked up. We got through border control okay. It was easier than we thought. I got a bit of a croaky throat because sleep last night wasn't that great, was it?
No, it was really bad weather.
Really bad.
It was like battering the motorhome, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So it was hard to sleep. Now we had to get up early, really, so we're a little bit tired.
Yeah.
So we're going to get through here. You'll have seen us coming through on the journey here, but we're going to get through here, and it looks like we're going to head towards Tours, doesn't it?
I think we are. So that's the plan for now, and we're trying to stick with that plan, but things could change. So keep watching and see where we actually end up. See you in a bit.
So we're now actually just waiting to set off on LeShuutle.
So we're at the next stage now, and we're actually on the train. It was actually relatively easy, to be honest. There's enough space to manoeuvre the wagon onto the train, and then it's just a case of following everyone down until you stop, and then they put a chock under your wheel. Park brake or first gear, handbrake up. Keys out the ignition, that's probably pretty much it, and then it's just a case of going
bing
across.
bong.
Bing bong. Let's go.
now. We're heading on the A16, but we're going to, I think it's Run. I think that's how they say it.
Yeah.
So we're going sort of that way through there to Toes. So we'll see how we feel, whether we want to stop there or stop at Toes, depending on how long it takes. My sat nav that's picking up the toll roads and the fastest route is saying just under 5 hours now. Where Lee's, when we first come off, which was a no toll roads, was over 6 hours. So we're going to go for the tolls this time. We've not had much sleep last night, so we want to make sure that we have a smooth a ride as possible, don't we, darling?
We do, definitely.
And how are you finding it on the right hand side? You're used to it, aren't you?
Yeah, I've done it many a times in a car and that. My big thing is the Garmin sat nav's telling me I'm at home 56, so 56 miles an hour, kilometres maybe.
It's in miles per hour yours,
miles per hour,
yours
so 56
yeah.
miles an hour, which is about 90k kilometres an hour, and I've got a truck speeding off in front of me, so yeah, I'm not really sure on that speed limit wise, but as long as I stay steady.
I'll check that out for you in a minute. I'll Google it or something.
Yeah, being on a bridge that curves, you can actually see under the bridge as you start getting on it. Awesome. Yeah, I've only got to done it, put my shades on. Yes. Hopefully at last.
That's a nice view to come out to.
Isn't it?
Yeah, they do all these tests so that you can see them, so we came underneath these to make sure that you can get in. Follow Google Maps, thinking that it was going to keep us on the main road, and for some reason we don't know if it was a Google Maps or if we just took the wrong way, because it looked like we're following it. And we've ended up actually in the centre, so it's quite nice. Trams. So it's a city and it's a bit tight and busy, so what I may have done is come off the A28, went through the city, and we should have stayed on the A28. So we're now on the A13 heading back towards the A28. Still, we stopped at services earlier, got a few bits. We knew it was expensive here, we know service stations are going to be even more expensive. But like €23 for practically what you can get 2 meal deals. Yeah. Which back home are obviously about £7 for 2 meal deals. So €23. That's quite a lot, wasn't it?
Yeah, very expensive.
Especially when we weren't 100% keen on the sandwiches. Oh dear.
Roll on Spain.
Absolutely belting it down. Still looking for the sun now. I'll find it. 2 seconds later, it's gone.
It is what I needed to clean the windows off though. Happy days.
All the dead flies.
Yeah.
We got rid of them.
And off the wing mirrors. Perfect.
Card.
This says card as well. No, that's not those. So, not that one.
That's what he's doing. That guy's reversing, so go behind him. Just moving, he's got his reverse lights on. So I believe I'll stick this in like this, and it should come up as a 2. A bit closer. A bit closer, babe. A bit closer, that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, 1 second, I think so. Oh, in there. It's a ticket. I can't get it in. Where's the ticket go? It says there.
Up there, look.
Where?
Up there.
There's one here as well. Enjoying the drive, Lee? You tired yet?
I'm loving the roads. The roads don't sort of fatigue you as much as the UK roads. I'm on cruise control, and I've been on cruise control for ages.
And that's why it's warm over here, because they've only got that fan behind that tree working and that one's not. Now in Tours, it's around the edge of the city, I believe. Just finding our Aire. As soon as I find it, I'll show you a little bit around there. Be a bit of a river down there. This one's straight on again.
Yeah, so where it's going.
Clear left. Lovely river.
It's a lovely river, isn't it? Some high rises around here. What we've got, Aire in the Bronx.
They're in the Bronx. To be honest with you, I don't know. Arrived and managed to get the last spot in this Aire. We are right next to the servicing point for the motorhomes, but hey ho, that doesn't matter, does it?
No, at least we got the Aire, which is absolutely brilliant. Actually, they're quite easy to park in, so that's a good thing.
We're probably speaking to half the people we're speaking to already converted, but if you're not, we're just letting you know they're quite easy to park.
Yeah, probably.
It's our first time. We are newbies. It's our first ever Aire we've ever parked on. So
yeah, and it's a good experience so far. The drive, the roads, lovely.
So we're going to leave this vlog here, and we're going to have a look around Tours in a bit, and we'll show you that on the next one.
Yes, we certainly will. So thank you again for everyone that's subscribed to our channel. It is very much appreciated as always, and I suppose we're going to catch you when we're exploring Tours.
See ya.
Bye.